Hello, hope you're well. Welcome to Sign Language Learning, and we are continuing. So today our topic, we're going to be learning what? Months of the year. That's a sign for year, two signs. We're starting. January, or January with one hand, January, or with both hands, January. January, February, March, April, or April. Another way of saying April. Then May, slide down, May, the month May. June, then July. August, September, again September. Letter O, round your mouth, October. November, or November, it's another sign for November. Then D, December, letter D, December, or December. We're doing now again. January, February, March, another sign for March. April, then the month May, June, July, August, September, letter O, round the mouth, October, November, or November. December. Hope you did well. Thank you very much.